welcome to my channel. This is my first talk through video, so I'm like super nervous throughout the video. You'll see. If you're new here, my name is Lynn. Today I'm gonna create this very colorful look. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I usually post my new looks on Instagram first, so please go ahead and follow my Instagram as well to get a sneak peek every time before I post a video. And without further ado, let's create this look together. So first I'm so nervous because I've never talked on camera before, like doing makeup. So this is the NYX yellow pigment and it's like goldish yellow, so I'm just gonna put it like right under my brow bone. So I'm basically just put it like on the upper part of the eyelid because you don't need to put it all over the lid because it's like the top color. You only need to see the like transition from yellow to magenta and then to orange to dark purple and to black, just like this. The next color I'm gonna use is from the Urban Decay Electric palette right over here, and I'm gonna put it right under the yellow and into my crease. So also you don't need to bring the color down too much because mainly this is like still a transition. You wanna see where it connects to the yellow and the next color, and before it gets together it will look a little bit messy, but it's okay. Okay, like so. And then take the previous yellow brush and then just blend it like over the edges of these two colors because you want everything to be like super diffused but also vibrant. So we'll be like keep building and keep blending. A lot of colors will be blended away, but that's the intended effect. Yeah, I think it looks good for now. And the next color I'm gonna use is the orange color right here from the same palette. I can see my ring light here. It's in there, the ring light. So this color will go even lower. So all of these colors have a little bit shimmer in it, and I want this look to be very lively and very vibrant, so I chose all the shimmery colors. And also because today's super sunny, so I feel like if I go under the sun everything will get like very sparkly. That's really cute. So this color goes right all over the lid and also right into the crease and the magenta color above, and we blend it away. Use the previous brush that we used on this color. We just like don't dip into the pan again, just keep blending on the edges. I think that looks good for now. And also the yellow brush again. Okay, and then I want to add a little bit yellow because it gets blended away, and just on top, like right under the brow bone. Again, the magenta brush. I know it's a lot of steps, but it will come together. The colors are not that many, but it's just like keep blending and keep building and keep blending. It takes a lot of patience, I guess. And then the orange color again. Okay, cool. So the next color is from a drugstore palette that I got. CT mini palette, and it has this purplish like smoky purple color in it, this one. So I'm gonna use it like right under the orange color. So this stuff is kind of like a dual chrome. Okay, so this basically goes on all over the lid. Just keep building the color. Okay, and again use the orange brush. You can see like the color still is very vibrant on this brush, so you can just use that and blur the edge out. Okay, it looks good to me now. And Okay, cool. And again, the magenta brush. So all of these brushes I did not dip into the pan, so just use the leftover colors because you want the edges to be not harsh. If you add more colors into it, it will get like very harsh on the edges instead. So also I'm using the yellow brush again, the first brush. Okay, so next step I'm gonna do the eyeliner. So I'm using the Essence Gel Eyeliner. This is really cheap, it's like $2. So I got it from Ulta, I think. And this is a Tarte eyeliner brush. So I'm gonna start from the inner corner. Can't breathe. Next step is the metallic line you're looking at. This is the Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow. This is like really cheap, and I think it's a really good dupe for the Stella metallic eyeshadow, which I can afford. So just following the line of the black eyeliner and just like draw a line on top of that, starting from the inner corner. Then I'm gonna put on mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Voluminous. This is a L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. So I'm just gonna coat the top lashes like so. Then put on this flossies. So these are like the really cheap ones I got from AliExpress. So it's like $1 for all of them, or $2, like I don't remember, but like all of my lashes are really cheap. So I think the foundation and concealer is not very technical, so I'm gonna finish that really quick and then go back and choose the lip color with you guys. See you in a second. I'm back, and so for the lower lash line, I'm gonna put down this glitter like on my waterline and see what happens. I've never done that before. Hope it works. I don't know whether it's waterproof. So far so good. Oh, so far so good. Okay, so the next step, I'm gonna do the lower lash line, and I'm just gonna, haven't decided yet. Well, probably I want something very vibrant, so I think I'm gonna take this color, this purple, right here, from the Urban Decay Electric palette. This color is, I have no idea what I'm doing right now, but I'm just gonna see what happens. Put her down right here. Oh, wow. Looking crazy. I like it. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm liking it. Okay. So right here, and interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it out with the magenta color that we used on the upper eyelid. Cool. Oh, dipped into the wrong color. I dipped into the orange. Okay. Okay, magenta, and darken the purple just a little bit. Darken the purple. I really like it so far. Okay, and then, wow. I feel like after this I'm just becoming more adventurous. So I'm gonna take, deep. Interesting. So see what's on my clothes actually. So I have that yellow, blue, pink, light pink, light pink. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna take the silver just to mimic the waterline from here. Okay. Yeah, it turns out pretty good. I really love this. Okay, just to intensify, English is hard, just to intensify the lower lash line, the silver a little bit, so I'm adding the silver on top of it, close to the lash line, just to keep it like really metallic right there. So for the lips, to keep it crazy looking, gonna take this like really bright orange from Wet n Wild, the Megalast liquid lipstick in Flame of the Game.
Go crazy.
Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Usually I post my new looks on Instagram first, so also feel free to follow my Instagram and get a sneak peek every time before I post a video. And comment, share, and leave whatever you think about this look. And oh, I'm so nervous. Yeah, thank you so much for watching again. I'm really humbled every time. Just like when I see one single new subscriber or one new comment, it just warms my heart so much because I just started. If you want to watch more content, I will link some of right here and right there all over my screen. Thank you again and hope to see you in my next video. You have no idea how grateful I am. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye!